Imagine a drag race between a 1,600 horsepower hypercar going head-to-head with two tuned German monsters, each pushing 1,000 horsepower. Epic showdown time. We've got the Bugatti Chiron Super Sport, a tuned BMW M5, and a tuned BMW M4 xDrive. Who's taking the win? The Bugatti Chiron Super Sport packs a beastly 8.0-liter W16 engine with quad turbos, cranking out 1,600 horsepower and 1,600 newton-meters of torque. Its all-wheel drive has a 7-speed dual-clutch gearbox, weighs about 1,995 kilograms, and costs around £4 million. The BMW M5 tuned packs a 4.4-liter twin-turbo V8, cranking out 1,000 horsepower and 1,200 newton-meters of torque. It's a luxury sedan with supercar vibes. The BMW M4 xDrive tuned packs a punch with a 3.0-liter twin-turbo inline-six engine, cranking out a wild 1,000 horsepower and 1,000 newton-meters of torque. It's the lightest ride here and totally aggressive off the line. Lights out.
2, 1.
Whoa, this thing went so sideways. Come on! I'm coming past the BMWs now. Come on, Bugatti! Oh!
The Bugatti struggles slightly with traction. The M5 launches hard. The M4 jumps straight into the fight. Check this out. The Bugatti Chiron Super Sport and BMW M5 both hit 9.6 seconds, while the BMW M4 takes 9.8 seconds. But in slow-mo, the Bugatti just pulls ahead. Cruising at 50 miles per hour, just switch to normal mode.
Go. Kick down. This took forever to kick down. That M4 is gone. Come on! He's going to win it to the quarter mile. But now I'm starting to read him in. Will I catch him up? Come on, here comes the half mile. Come on!
The BMW M4 reacts instantly. The Bugatti and M5 hesitate due to gearbox kickdown result. M4 takes the win. From 30 to 50 miles per hour, sport mode.
3, 2, 1, go. Woo-hoo! Come on! He's doing better. Better. But nah, it's not working for him. Come on! Once again, this is just too easy.
Now things change. The Bugatti unleashes its true power, effortlessly pushing past 300 kilometers per hour, but the shock, the M4 still keeps up and wins some runs. The Bugatti Chiron Super Sport is the ultimate ride-fast, luxurious, and powerful. It's truly the king of the road. The BMW M4 tuned is a beast. Insane performance for the price, and deadly in rolling races, what a value. The BMW M5 is super powerful and luxurious, but the gearbox can be a bit quirky. If someone offered you a car as a gift, no doubt it'd be a Bugatti, but with your own cash. The M4 is an insane deal. Loved the race? Smash that like button. Subscribe for more wild action. Trust me, the next races are going to be even crazier.